Hi Virgo, this is your June 2020 career money reading, and this is for the remaining days of June month. So let's see how this your career and money goes. This is based on your Sun, Moon, and Venus rising. I've shuffled these cards, so Virgo being the retrograde season, when with a new job or a new business, you really need to be going in a phased manner, one step at a time, carefully looking into details, assessing your financial condition. This is not only for you, it's for everyone. July end, around July end, this retrogrades, two of Venus and Mercury will get over, and you people who have worked can see some initial results of their labor. So this is the first card. Okay, so this is showing that things have not been great for you in your recent past, and you're tired of this situation, and you are unsatisfied with money, or you are just feeling so tired, and you don't see a direction. It's a card of unfinished business, and that too, that is working no more for you. You are not satisfied. So this is showing that you are a very disappointed and unhappy situation you are in. Okay, so Temperance in the reverse. So Temperance in the reverse, usually Temperance in an upright position is about patience, it's about going with flow, it's about giving it a thought, and here it just means that I think it's the time to take action, like you just enough of patience, and it's waiting. You are waiting, you have shown already. So now it's the time that you come out of that and start taking action, Virgo. So this is what this card I feel is trying to tell, that you start taking the action towards a certain desirable situation in job, money, career. This is the Justice card in reverse. Here is usually that Justice card in reverse could mean like maybe in your recent past that we have seen you weren't in a very happy position because things didn't work according to you. With this Justice card in reverse, I feel there might be some delays. It might take some more time for your hard work or the new idea or venture or money situation to get better. But this is just talking about some delays in the delay. So it's not that the delay is gonna be really long, or you just think, but it won't go this smooth like it's coming immediately. It's gonna take a time, and it's just talking about some delays, Virgo. Oh, the Sun card. So after the delay, or you're working with you taking action, it's showing that this is a Sun card. It's a beautiful card, that things are gonna be great, things will become happy, you will you are going towards you are moving towards that success or the financial condition you are looking for, Virgo. You will leave behind this disappointment with this Sun card. It's a beautiful, warm, happy energy, very positive card. Okay, Six of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Pentacles, usually what I know, Virgos are great human beings. They believe in philanthropy. They are great at philanthropy. So here they're saying helping others most of the time. So here I feel in reverse is saying to actually, before helping others or doing your philanthropy and being a you need to just look into your actual you need to assess your wealth, your financial. Only then you can go and help others. First look at your resources, introspect, and think logically and practically about your financial status right now. Helping others is a good thing, but presently you need to take care of your own situation first. Virgo, what does this card is just like take care, just you have to make the foundation and conserve your own resources first before helping others. So this is what the card is saying. So don't lend your money and or you helping out. First just take care of your own self and the business or whatever you are looking for idea. You need that financial foundation to be strong for yourself first. So this is we'll pick up 2 more cards and find out what could be the likely outcome and what could help, what could be of help. Okay, the moon card in reverse. So usually moon card in an upright position is about deceive, it's about something hidden or truth coming out. So in reverse, I understand that this card is in reverse, so it shows that whatever secrets or information you need is already out. Like everything, you are aware of everything. You just need to get the right information. There should be no hiding. Look into the papers, look into the documents for anything that you are starting. Double check, triple check, so that being a retrograde time, it's very much necessary to go through all the financial transaction or the documents, so that you don't lose out on any information which is important for the business. So it only means that you need to just be alert and careful. Okay, so the King of Cups in reverse. What I feel is that King of Cups is in reverse could mean like see, this is the king who is sometimes who is emotional, taking care, but he knows how things are. So in reverse, you are in a slightly sometimes drained energy, feeling disappointed, and emotionally you just feel vulnerable. And so come out of this, Virgo. Definitely this king, with time around July, July, once this retrograde Mercury and Venus, the seeds that you have started, you will start planting now. Like if you had with an idea, business idea or venture, will slowly start showing results around July end or in your birthday month. So so this is what I'm saying. Just be get that rebooting, get yourself that fresh energy and powerful energy like the king, and things will slowly fall in place. This is June, after June. So this is the June energy, like slowly things will fall in place after this. So this is what for you, Virgo, and all the best. Thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel.